Hey guys, I want to do a quick unboxing of the Yeezy 380. I just got them in yesterday. Since I've been kind of quarantined at home, I haven't been out and about and not feeling like doing much of anything, but I wanted to kind of put together this quick video for the 380. I don't think I'm going to shoot a regular video. This is more of an unboxing. So let me turn this camera around real quick and you guys can see. Let's see, let's get a picture of the tag. Sorry about the shaky video, I'm just using my cell phone. But this is the Yeezy Boost 380 in the mist colorway. And I already took them out of the box. The box is your basic thumbhole box for the Yeezys. The 380 is a little bit different of a look, and the idea around these is basically to have a shoe that had a different look. These originally were supposed to be the 350 V2s, or V3s I mean, but they decided to have their own thing. So this is the first one that came out. This is the 380 Alien, and you notice this has some different colors down on the sole, and then the sole is actually even a little bit different color. Obviously I wear my shoes, so but you know, these designs were originally came from images or pictures of Wyoming, where Kanye has his kind of new working facility. He's building a plant to actually make shoes himself and make clothing, and he's already working on using a material that is made from I don't know, it's made from algae, and so this is kind of a natural look to kind of what's going on. So this is the original Alien, and then this Mist is basically the new colorway of this original 380. So kind of go over it. It's got obviously a darker color lace. All the lace holes are the same. All the structure of the shoe is the same. It still has a mirror of the left and the right. There's just a little bit different coloration on the inside than on the outside. The outside has a lighter color. The inside has less of that. In fact, I think it's even just a different color. You'll notice there's kind of a plastic translucent inside the holes here. I'll try to get it to focus in inside the holes there in the bottom. There is some paper stuff down in here, so you're kind of seeing that. But there's some blues, some navy, some beige, and then I don't know what to call this color. I'm just going to go ahead and call it Mist because that's the color of the shoe. But you know, the laces are very similar in color, if not exactly the same as this sort of stripe on the side. You know, Kanye takes a picture of nature and then tries to translate, or kind of pixelates it and translates that into the colorway of the shoe, and that's where they come up with these, you know, very interesting designs. And they're able to do that by making this knit in whatever coloration that they want to. And then here, what I really like about these shoes is this really dark gum sole. So it's got a really cool dark gum sole. I'm a big sucker for gum soles, but this is very, very dark for a gum sole. It's not, I guess it's brown, but there's a little bit of, you know, beige in it. Almost a little bit of red. I don't want to say like stark red or dark red, but it's got just a tiny bit of red tint to it. But obviously it's got your 380s, has Boost in it. That's really soft. I kind of did this in my Facebook Live, but just to give you an idea why I like this 380 so much is because of all of this Boost in the back heel. And the way that I naturally walk, if I'm not thinking about walking, I'm a heel planter, so I really strike my heel a lot. It's just how I've grown up or how I walk, so it's the way that I can use a shoe like this if I'm going to be doing a lot of walking. Not like, you know, Disneyland all day kind of walking. This kind of shoe would probably give me shin splints because this material is so soft and squishy in the back that, you know, your stability muscles, which are on the front of your shins, after a while will start to get sore. So when I'm doing long time, you know, I usually like an EVA sole. Like this is the K-Swiss little Jupiter. This is called the Tarati, and it's got a soft sole, but it's not super soft. It actually has quite a bit of stability to it. So that's the type of thing I would wear if I was going to walk around all day. Same thing, just a different colorway. But that's the thing I'd walk around in all day. When it comes to a sole like this, oops, let me zoom back out. When it comes to a sole like this, I'm really looking for something that I can, daily walking. And they're a great just fashion type shoe. What's nice with the 380 Alien is that honestly, if you just put on a pair of jeans, you can wear red, you can wear blue, you can wear green. It doesn't really matter. This shoe really has a lot of versatility to it as far as the colorway itself, which I really like. But when it comes down to the mist, you probably wouldn't want to use like a red or a blue, like any of these colors here. You probably would want to stay away from that type of coloration on your clothing when you're wearing this. Let's do kind of a side by side here. So just so you can see the difference in the color. Definitely both a great shoe. The 3D Alien is, I feel like the staple. It's the first shoe that, came out in the 380. So it's going to be a staple forever. What I really like is just that sole, kind of like the look across the sole. You've got this darker green here, and then you've got, a real mimic of these colorations, but down here inside the midsole. But great shoe. I really like it a lot. Give you an idea what both of the backs look like. Then I'll show you the medians. Let's see, hopefully they'll stand up correctly for you. Hey, this is a video I'm working on right now, doing a restoration of some really nasty shoes I bought for $5. And I'm halfway through the restoration on one side, so kind of neat thing. But yeah, you can kind of see the difference. This is the median, the inside where your arch is. So the soles are very, very much the same. The soles themselves are the same design. And then kind of a top-down view, you can really get an idea of the different colors in the light. Also, there's a bit of a beige tint to the insole, where this is closer to a stark white. And you can see I've obviously worn these, so the Yeezy's starting to wear out. But these are brand new. They just came yesterday. So I'm excited to wear them and to really feel that boost. Boost is always best when it's brand new too, so it does go away a little bit after time. But gives you a good idea of what the 380 Mist looks like. I really hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you are having a wonderful time staying safe at home with your family and your friends. And let me know if you have any questions. You can just leave your questions below, and I'll be sure to answer them. Talk to you guys soon.